Ball set inside the 18-yard box. Oh, that was close. What a chance for Excelsior. It's still Excelsior with the possession. But I'm here in this match today. And a shot at goal. Oh, that was close. Save. What a strike. But lays it off for Thomas. And a shot. A wayward shot there. And she kicks the floor title as well. And then Olivia Shield is the All-Ireland title. Yes. And the ball set forward. No, that's not a bad ball. Will this be the first goal? It is! What's a goal? What it is exceptional. And that's
confidence.
Ball swung inside. And it is with someone tried to make it 58. But she couldn't. And it goes behind. And it will sent up now to Nevergale Abel. Abel sends it across to find Davia Richards, headed on. And Bartley still on the hunt for possession, and now an opportunity, a shot at goal! Oh, hits the frame of the goal! Wow! If you could get
to take in football, because after scoring two goals, they tend to become complacent, and definitely looking for...
And a shot at goal, just above the target. Problem with that ball, she would want those balls all day long.
So easy.
So easy.
Distribution.
Not the best. Goal kick.
Best at all.
And there's a strike at goal. Oh, that's a brilliant goal! Oh, brilliant! Brilliant goal! Someone will be looking for 60. And a shot there, a goal! Oh, brilliant goal! Steven headed in! And it's 2-1! And Excelsior are now soaring. They're soaring higher and higher. So I'm not entirely giving her a no. 57! Oh, that was close. And it's still possession. Excelsior, will this be a strike at goal? Oh, just over the bar.
As the ball now switches now to Excelsior.
And that's not a bad ball outside of the boot. And now an opportunity. Oh, my word. What? Davia Richards sends it across to find McLaughlin. Now it's with Salmon. And a shot. Oh, that's the other goal. 59.
I'm counting.
Goals of the lead. Should probably be left to pay. And that is the end of the contest. A double by Salmon means that the defending champions soar high once again. And they've defended their titles successfully.